Another example of elimination method. So the system is y squared minus 4x minus 6y equals 11. And then the second equation is 4 times quantity of 3 minus x equals quantity of y minus t squared. So this is a general form of an equation, and this is the standard equation. So to eliminate one of the variable here, so kailangan parehas sa sila. Unang sa nato nga parehas ang ilang format sa equation. So it's either we convert one of them to a standard equation or we convert one of them to general equation. So for this method, we tried to convert this to sa ilahang general form of equation. So, i-leave nato ni siyang first equation. Ang second equation ang ato ang himuog general form. So, 4 times 3 minus x is equal to y minus 3 squared. So, 4 times 3 is 12. And then, 4 times negative x is negative 4x is equal to y times y is y squared. 2 times y times negative 3 is negative 6y, and negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Okay, so let's combine all the like terms. So y squared minus 6y, and then gitranspose diri sa right side ang kaning negative 4x. So may masyag 4x. And then 9 here. So minus 12 is negative 3. But since naman siya sa right side, so may masyag positive 3. Okay, so next is, so this is the general equation sa ato ang equation number 2. Let's check sa ato equation number 1, which is y squared minus 4x minus 6y equals 11. So if we're going to check here, ang y squared positive, okay, di ma-cancel. Okay, so ang x nga part ang ma-cancel equals 3. And actually, ang best pod na i-cancel jo diri nga equation is ang x. Okay, so y squared minus 4x minus 6y is equal to 11, our first equation. And then the new derived second equation, y squared plus 4x minus 6y equals 3. So, y squared plus y squared, 2y squared, negative 4x plus 4x, tanggal. Negative 6y minus 6y is negative 12y. 11 plus 3 is 14. Now, we could use any of the method. So we could use the factoring, completing the square or quadratic formula to get the factors of this equation. So kani atong gibuhat is completing the square. 2y squared minus 12y is equal to 14. So 2 times the quantity of y squared, because 2y squared divide 2 is y squared, and then negative 12y divide 2 is negative 6y, and then we will use completing the square here. Negative 6 divide 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9, so we will add 9 here sa left side and also at the right side. But remember that we have 2 nga gi-factor kanina or gipagawa. So we will also include 2. So 2 times 19. Muna siya nga itong i-add at the right side. Next, this is the sum of a perfect square. Just divide the coefficient of y by 2. So negative 6 divide 2 is negative 3. So y is equal to y minus 3 quantity squared. Just write down ang 2. So it is equal to 4 plus 18 is 14 plus 18 is 32. Okay, we will divide both sides by 2. para mawala ang 2 dire. So, tanggal ang 2. So, 32 divide 2 is 16. Then, ano tabo? Y minus 3 quantity squared is equal to 16. Then, we will extract both sides. Para matanggal na po, kadagan ba sa tanggalon na po nato ang square part. Okay. So, y minus 3 square root of y minus 3 squared. So, tanggal ni, leaving y minus 3. And then, square root of 16 is positive, negative 4. Remember ha, kana pag completing the square, there is a right side, positive, negative 4 ang atong gamiton. Because we are expecting that there are two values of y or x na ato ang kwaon. Since negative 4 times negative 4 is 16 and positive 4 times positive 4 is 16. Okay, so y minus 3, first is ang positive 4 ang gamiton. So, y minus 3 equals 4. So, transpose the 3 here. May mo siyang positive. So, y is equal to 7. And y minus 3, next is ang negative gamiton, negative 4. So, transpose here to the right side ang negative 3. That's positive. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. That's the value of our y variable.